Welcome to another lesson of Octaves Online Violin lessons. So now we come to the bowing. This is bow. So hold it like this, and you have to bow just above the fingerboard. This is called fingerboard. I guess you all know this is fingerboard, this is frets, this is bridge. Your bowing region should be between the fingerboard and the bridge. So even though the region is more, for a better performance, for the melodious sound, you need to bow just above the fingerboard. This is the ideal place to bow. When you go near the bridge, volume will be more, but it won't be that melodious sound. It will be some scratchy sound. And another point you need to know that your bow should be exactly perpendicular to your fingerboard. When it is perpendicular to fingerboard, it becomes parallel to your bridge. Now the bowing. Always start, strike down, stroke down. So we are coming to the sitting posture. That is very important. When you are practicing for longer period, you should avoid hunching back. Should sit straight. Your shoulder should be straight. Should sit like this, and you have to do the bowing like this. You have to practice in every part, different part of the bow. So this is frog, just above the frog, and mid bow and the tip bow. So this is mid bow. This is the edge bow. So normally we should start with the full bow of 4 counts. Sa, ha, re, When you're playing 4 notes, 4 beat length, then your tuner can show you the exact reading. So you get chance, you get time to correct yourself. This is about the bowing. Now the fingering.
To watch and learn from more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.